Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see about space. How big is the universe? The universe is very big. In fact, it is bigger than anything else we know. We can see that it exists as far as about 13.7 billion light years from us. We also know there is more beyond the edge of the observable universe, but we don't know how much. The universe is expanding all the time. It is bigger than now when you started watching this video. Next, we can see about galaxy size. Galaxies are huge collection of stars, gas, dust and dark matter all bound together by gravity. The biggest galaxies are about 3 lakh light years across and contain about 1000 billion stars. The smallest galaxies, known as dwarf galaxies, measure a few thousand light years across and have about 10 million stars. Galaxies have been changing in size, mass, and shape since they first formed billions of years ago. Galaxy Gang. The Milky Way galaxy belongs to a collection of more than 40 galaxies known as local group. They exist in a dumbbell-shaped volume of space 10 million light years across. These are some of the group's best-known members. Barnard's Galaxy. It is 10,000 light years wide. Milky Way Galaxy. It is 1 lakh light years wide. Triangulum Galaxy. It is 50,000 light years wide. Large Magellanic Cloud. It is 20,000 light years wide. Universe Pi. The universe consists of 74% of dark energy, 22% of dark matter, and 4% of atoms. The most distant object that most people can see with the naked eyes is the Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million light years away. In good conditions, some people can see the Triangulum Galaxy, 3 million light years away. What is dark energy? In physical cosmology and astronomy, dark energy is an unknown form of energy that affects the universe on the largest scale. Non-luminous material that is postulated to exist in space and that could take any of several forms including weakly interacting particles, cold matter, or high-energy randomly moving particles created soon after the Big Bang, hot dark matter. The biggest mountain in the solar system is the Martian volcano Olympus Mons. It is about 24 km high and its base is 648 km across. Earth's Mount Everest is only 8.85 km high. When the Mars was young, its surface stretched and split to produce the Valles Marineris. This huge system of canyons slices across the planet just south of the equator and travels about a quarter of the way around Mars. Why does Saturn have rings? One theory is that the material in Saturn's rings was left over from when the giant planets formed. The material tried to join together to make a moon, but Saturn's gravity pulled it in. Another idea is that this material was from a moon that was drawn too close to the planet and broke up. Saturn's moons. Titan, Saturn's largest moon and the second largest moon in the solar system. Enceladus, located within Saturn's rings, Enceladus' icy surface makes it shine brightly. Mimas, it is also within the rings. Mimas is an icy ball of rock that is covered with craters. Phoebe, Phoebe is the largest of the 38 moons that orbit Saturn at great distance. Why do comets have tails? For most of its life, a comet is just a lump of snow and dust orbiting through space. But if its path takes it close to the sun, the heat turns the snow to gas and in the process releases dust. This forms two tails that make the comet easily seen from Earth. Comets are made of pristine material that has been unchanged since the birth of solar system 4.6 million years ago. They formed in the region between Jupiter and Neptune and were then dispersed by the gravitational influence of these planets. The comets that exist today are less than 1,000th of those that exist originally. What is meteorite? A meteorite is a lump of space rock that survives a fiery passage through Earth's atmosphere and hits the planet's surface. Air friction slows down the meteorite and much of the rock's surface is boiled away, leaving behind a very bright trail of gas and dust. This is seen from Earth and called a fireball. Almost all meteorites come from asteroid belt, a rocky material between Mars and Jupiter that was unused when the planets formed. A few are from the surfaces of Moon and Mars. Having been blasted off, these planets have been hit by rocks. Types of meteorites. Stony meteorites. Asteroid meteorites with compositions similar to Earth's rocky mantle are classed as stony meteorites. Iron meteorites. Those with a composition like Earth's central iron nickel core are classed as iron meteorites. Stony iron meteorite. Meteorites made from a mixture of iron meteorites and stony meteorites are called stony ions. They come from the asteroids not big enough to melt. Lunar meteorites. Meteorites from the moon's surface can be recognized from their similarity to the samples brought to Earth by the Apollo astronaut. Martian meteorites. Rock from Mars can be recognized by small amounts of gas within it similar to that found in Martian atmosphere. Are we alone? We just don't know. We know life exists on Earth, but what about elsewhere in the universe? Most astronomers believe in extraterrestrial life. We just haven't found it yet. All Earth's living things are made out of chemical elements found throughout the universe. So it would be extraordinary if some form of life hadn't developed elsewhere. Life in solar system. Earth. This is the only place we know that life exists, with 1.5 million distinct types of life discovered so far. Mars. Microscopic life may have developed here when Mars was young. So far, no signs of life have been found. Europa. This moon of Jupiter has an icy surface. Underneath, it is a liquid water ocean that may be heaven for life. Exoplanets. Our search for alien life started in the solar system, but is now concentrated on planets orbiting other stars. These are called exoplanets, with the first one discovered in 1992. We know of more than 430 exoplanets. The Kepler spacecraft is searching our region of the Milky Way for more. A clear indicator of life on a planet is oxygen in its atmosphere. This is what scientists look for on exoplanets. Stars and their exoplanets. 51 Pegasi. It is the first sun-like star found to have a planet. 2M1207. This star's exoplanet was the first to be imaged directly. 55 Cancri. 5 giant planets orbit this star in the Cancer constellation. Gliese 581. One of its 4 planets is the closest in mass to Earth so far. HD 209458. Water vapor was detected on the exoplanet of this star. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel.